The one word I would use to describe Sungrow, unmatched. Here in the Adelaide region, we have installed over 450 Sungrow systems, and the customers' feedback has been so positive, it's not worth looking anywhere else. Today, we are on site in the beautiful Adelaide Hills, and we're having a look at the Sungrow hybrid 10 kilowatt single-phase inverter with two 16 kilowatt-hour batteries in parallel. This can run the entirety of the house for at least 20 hours, maintaining their water, their cooking, and their internet. This system has already paid itself off. It's been on site for about 3 years now, and we're seeing an average saving per year for the customer of about $7,000. The hybrid system here is installed to cover when there is a grid outage. If there is a blackout, we have an instant changeover inside the inverter. We can change from grid to backup power within 10 milliseconds. Sungrow were the first manufacturer to bring in a whole home backup solution that is reliable with instant changeover, and they continue to set the path for technology in this space. 100% I'd be recommending this to any homeowner, any installer, due to the longevity of the actual company itself. It's been around for 20 plus years. They're one of the first in the market, and to me, that is just unstoppable. The aftercare support is unmatched. No one can beat them. As soon as you have a problem and you contact them, it's resolved within the 24-hour period. The reason we choose to partner with Sungrow is their fantastic technical support. I have never seen anything match up to the standards of Sungrow.